Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBIZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning here, and that's just get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And the first update, though, does come about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, 0046 was that level of resistance, but now with the price up above it, that would be the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Definitely staying up above 0046. With that being said, I am not saying that if the price drops below 0046 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Because from the big picture point of view, so this assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon on things, you want to keep an eye on that Perp line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So a very straightforward way to judge the health of the overall price movement currently is that as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 0046, that would be great. But grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Right up here, you can see at about 0056. I realize the price did temporarily go up there a couple times, but there's also other times where the price didn't quite go up that high. So I'm just trying to find the middle ground there. So 0056 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, always good when red lines are being changed to green, and the price is still well up above that purple line. So we'll see what next week brings, but definitely a good solid Thursday and Friday of this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.